The Adventures of Slim Goodbody in Nutri-City.
Slim Goodbody, brave and true, a man of health, a hero who leads a team at body control. Nutrition's his mission, good health's his goal.
As we look in on body control, Slim Goodbody and Agent B1 are working on their shopping list. Let's listen.
Let's see now. Fruits and vegetables, fish and chicken, and...
GB, there's something I've been wanting to ask you for a long time.
What's that, B1?
Well, you're always talking about a variety of foods for a balanced diet.
That's right, B1.
I don't compute. Why humans need all those different foods? Why wouldn't one food do the job?
Job is the key word, B1, only it's not just one job. The body has many jobs that need doing, just as Nutri-City has many jobs that need to be done. And you know that all people don't do the same job. They cooperate in doing all the things that keep the city running, like building houses, driving buses and trains, selling food.
And when you put them all together, you have a great city.
Right, B1, and it's the same with foods. Each nutrient has a special job to do, and the human body needs them all, working together and cooperating in order to stay healthy and strong. Do you understand what I mean?
I think so, except what happens to the food you chew once it gets inside of you? What exactly does it do? Can you make it clear? Does it simply disappear?
Well, first of all, I should explain that all the foods we eat contain nutrients with certain names you've probably heard before, but I'll list them to be sure. There's carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, plus water.
Imagine that.
But now it's time to discuss what each of these can do for us. For each one serves its own purpose, which I'll explain to you, if you'll allow me to. Bang, 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 knock, 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 like carpenters who work around the clock. Tick-tock, 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 busy, busy, rush, 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 a hustle, bustle scene. The carpenters who build and fix your body are proteins. We get them from foods like meat, fish, eggs, milk, cheese, and beans. Your body uses protein for growth and repair. It helps form all living cells, such as bones, muscles, skin, and blood. Down to the gas station, cars have got to come to fill up on the kind of fuel that makes their engines run. Your body also needs, of course, a source of energy.
And I suppose you'll tell me now just what that source will be.
It's carbohydrates, which work for us like gas works in a car, providing lots of energy to move us near and far. For eating carbohydrates, there is just no substitute. They're found in breads and cereals, vegetables and fruit. Winter in the countryside is long and hard and freezing, so people stack up logs to burn throughout the winter season. Now fats and foods provide us with a stored up fuel supply, energy that's gradually released as time goes by.
In other words, they're stored away to be used another day.
That's right, B1, your computing is A-OK. We get fats from foods like whole milk, butter, margarine, cheese, cream, and dressings for salads. Slow down, speed up, turn right, turn left, and stop. Making sure that things run smoothly is the traffic cop. The way your body gets things done must be directed to. So the minerals in the food you eat help do this job for you. We need minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and iron to help keep us strong and healthy. Aside from regulating and directing some of the things that go on inside of us, minerals help form blood, muscles, skin, and nerves. We get our minerals from milk, cheese, cereal grain, vegetables, and fruit.
Harmony, harmony. I could listen to it forever.
But you need a conductor to lead the musicians in working together. Now the nutrients in foods we eat must work together too. And vitamins are there to help make sure that they all do. Vitamins are an essential part of our diet. They help us use the foods we eat in the best way. We get our vitamins A and C from fruits and vegetables, and other vitamins from meat, fish, milk, and bread. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Water carries nutrients to keep you running clean. Most of your body is made up of water. It helps us digest food, build tissue, and it even helps control body temperature. We get the water we need from beverages and from food. The nutrients I've named in song will keep your body good and strong. If you eat well, you can't go wrong. I'm sure you will agree. Good foods help keep you healthy as can be.
Leap and labor, GB. Many different nutrients doing many different jobs.
Right, B1?
And when you put them all together, they spell balanced diet.
For good nutrition and health.
Now that computes. That computes, GB.
Don't miss the next exciting adventure of Slim Goodbody in Nutri-City.